Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Mr. Witness, sa panahon na kung saan nakabilang ka ng ICFAO at ikaw ay mga nag-audit ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno, meron ka na bang, bukod sa OBP at saka sa DepEd under PP Sara, meron ka na bang ibang agency ng government na na-issue nyo ng disallowance?
Sa pagkakalam ko, meron na po.
Ano itong mga agency na ito?
Hindi ko po pwedeng i-disclosure.
Okay. At bakit? Bakit sila na-issue ng disallowance?
Dahil yun nga po, since ang basis lang po namin ay yung joint circular, hindi po compliant dun sa provisions ng joint circular.
Compliant. Okay, so nung na-issue ng disallowance yung office ni BP Sara, ano yung naging tugon nila?
Wala na po akong personal knowledge or honor kasi wala na po ako sa ICFAO.
Okay. Nabanggit mo rin na ikaw nga'y pinuntahan sa tanggapan mo sa COA para magkaroon ng tinatawag na audit query. Yan bang kauna-unang pagkakataon lamang na meron government agency na pumunta sa opisina mo para makipag-usap sa'yo?
May mga agency po na nagtatanong, nagsisik po ng clarification with respect to the provisions of the joint circular. Pero yung OBP po yung first time na nag-ask po ng audit query.
OBP?
Yes po.
Okay. Noong mga panahon na pumunta sila sa inyong tanggapan, pinanganak na ba doon si Mary Grace Piatos? Hindi pa. Meron na bang Grace Piatos noon?
Hindi, wala po doon sa submissions nila po, Your Honor.
Wala pa. Okay. Nung puntahan ka ng Chief of Staff ng OVP at saka yung si Attorney na nandito ngayon, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya. Ayoko na pangitin. POA. Were you intimidated?
Wala naman pong ganun, Your Honor.
Good. And yun yung isang unang pagkakataon na sabi mo kanina na may pumunta doon para makipag-usap tungkol sa audit query.
Yes po.
Okay. Anyway, nothing personal to sa'yo, attorney. You're a good lawyer. As a matter of fact, dati nakausap ko siyang meron programang Wanted sa radyo, may problema tungkol sa DepEd, and I call him at sumasagot naman siya. At yung mga sinasagot niya sa akin, okay naman. And for that, hanga ako sa'yo. Doon lang sa programang Wanted sa radyo na mabilis kang lapitan at natutugunan mo yung mga problema na nilalapit ko sa programa ko. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Judge Rafi.
Mr.
Senator
Chair.
Judge Joel.
Mr. Presiding Officer.
Yes, what is the pleasure
I
of
don't know if
counsel
this
for
is in order, so I would just like to ask if you would allow me to do so. But since I've always been, I was alluded to, and references were made to the meeting. If you could just give me maybe 2 minutes to just give context to that meeting. But if I'm not allowed to do so, then I will submit to the ruling of the Presiding
Unfortunately,
Officer.
counsel, no. That's why I also prohibited them from questioning you or
Yes, okay.
alluding to you in relation to any question.
I
You will
understand.
have the appropriate opportunity during your presentation of evidence in chief, if you do so, if you want to explain that meeting. Although I watched you trying to explain it yesterday already, which I will address later. But we will cross the bridge when you present your evidence in chief, Attorney Pao. You will have your chance.
Thank you, thank you. I respect that, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Senator Judge Villanueva, you have 2 minutes, sir. You may proceed when you're ready.